behind this old tree on the floor. Wow. Oh my god, the rain's coming in. Wow, it's a breezy day. Surprising how much I can't even think, my brain can't think when the wind blows, how much protection you get from the wind like this. The larch is struggling. God, I can feel this Scots Pine vibrating. Amazing. This one sadly lost the fight with the weather and the elements. It's such a lovely noise you get out of Scots Pine.